good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So on pound dollar weekly market analysis, we are still seeing a constant downtrend movement, although there's a retracement at this price. Head down to the 4-hour chart. This is what I have. Market retest back to the previous high, but unable to break and close above the high price at 1.2748. Aggressive trader, good price to consider if you want to short the market. Head down the 1-hour chart. This is what I have over here, a bit of spikes. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. Still unchanged, waiting for a buying opportunity at 1.2372. Head down to, and this is a bullish sharp pattern. So head down to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, it is at the tip of the sell zone price, and of course this gives you the best reward is to risk ratio, although the market might break and close above the high. But if reward is to risk is more important to you, it's a great consideration. To the 1-hour chart, this is what I have. Although this is a spike as market is closing, you should also take note of that. So it really depends if you trade off the 4-hour, 1-hour chart. If you are 4-hour traders, no worries on that. If you're 1-hour trader, that means you trade and enter based on 1-hour chart, you might like to really look into this. And of course, if you're a harmonic pattern trader, there might be a sharp pattern forming up, X to A to B, B to C, and see the completion somewhere around this price, 1.25 thereabout. Alright, so that's all I have for you. If you'd like to see the development of this trade, join us this Wednesday, 6:08 p.m. at Singapore time. Till then, remember always plan your trade, plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.